Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ford Explorer faster. We'll cover several key areas to boost your vehicle's performance. First, we'll look at engine modifications that can significantly increase power. Then, we'll discuss how exhaust and drivetrain upgrades contribute to speed. Finally, we'll explore improvements to handling, braking, and other modifications for a truly enhanced driving experience. Let's get started on transforming your Explorer. To truly make your Explorer faster, engine enhancements are crucial. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe better, increasing horsepower. A performance tuner can remap your engine's computer, optimizing fuel delivery and ignition timing for more power. For substantial gains, consider adding a turbocharger or supercharger. Don't forget high-performance spark plugs, which ensure a more efficient burn, contributing to overall engine responsiveness and power output. Beyond the engine, optimizing your exhaust and drivetrain can significantly improve speed. A performance catback exhaust system reduces back pressure, allowing the engine to expel gases more efficiently. Pairing this with a performance catalytic converter further enhances flow. A lighter driveshaft reduces rotational mass, meaning less power is lost before reaching the wheels. Additionally, adjusting gear ratios can provide quicker acceleration, making your Explorer feel much more responsive. Making your Explorer faster isn't just about raw power, it's also about control and efficiency. Performance brakes are essential for safely managing increased speeds, offering superior stopping power. Upgrading your suspension improves handling, allowing you to corner more effectively. Reducing overall vehicle weight, even by a small amount, can noticeably improve acceleration and braking. Finally, lighter wheels and high-performance tires provide better grip and reduce unsprung weight, enhancing both speed and handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.